Hi, today we have another challenge, a so-called binary addition. So we have to create a function that adds two numbers together, but we have to return them as a binary number. This actually shouldn't be too hard to solve because we have a built-in function binary to convert a decimal to a binary number. So let's try that. So when we return a plus b, but in binary, like this, well, then we have to see what happens. So save and execute. This is not the direct output where I was looking for, because we should have 1110. It ends with 1110 though, although the first two characters are different. O and B. So, well, let's try 1 and 1. That should be 10 as binary. Okay, we have 10. We only have to deal with this kind of prefix. That should be stripped off. And for that, we actually have a built-in method. It's called remove prefix. And as an argument, you can feed it the string that you want to remove. In our case, O and B. O, B. Okay, that looks better. Let's try 5 and 9. Well, there we go. And of course, there are other methods to slice off the first two characters, like slicing itself. In such a case, we can return the binary of A plus B. But in the square brackets, we can choose to slice. This means, for example, return everything except for the first two characters. And then you have the same result. So let's test it out. Well, there we go. Perfect.